Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just can't stop. I've made 2 videos on this. In the first video is about the variable outline tool and how you can make these type arrows, but it's only available in 2023 or newer versions whenever you're watching this video. Then I showed in the second video that you could still make fancy type arrows. You just can't have them thin on one side and thick on the other like these. But there is a way you can still kind of make them fancy without that tool. So we're just going to do one real quick. I just like playing, and we're going to make this, well, let's make it, since I made it so big, let's make it 10 points. Put an arrow on the end of it. And, well, let's make it actually thicker because I've made it so big. And let's zoom in here, and you can still do the exact same thing. I'm not going to put round end caps on this one, but I am going to select it in F12 and make it scale with object because I actually want that flat one on this type deal. I'm going to go ahead and grab both those with the shape tool, and you know what? I'm not going to do that because it's not going to help me convert it to a curve. But what I am going to do is now go to object and convert the outline to an object. And when I do that, I get nodes. And I can make my arrow like that. I can add a node. I can make it like that. I can take that away. I could turn these into curves. And then I could actually curve into the inside. You know, use your own imagination. Now, you cannot really curve it, but you can. It's maybe not as perfect to get the envelope tool. I always take away these 2 center nodes and then just grab these 2 nodes. Now you don't have as much control, and it's not going to look as good as what we did in the very first video, but it's still pretty cool. And you could, change it quite a bit and make it, even the arrow kind of look funny, and several things you can do with it. Anyway, just some ideas. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.